The UK has skilled more than weather and points above the recent 10-year while compared in early many decades, a Met Office space paper has told. The hottest days include B nearly 1C heat, hot magical include enlarged, time the coldest days are not as common cold. The quantity of as called tropic nights, while temperature remain over 20°C, is growing. The Met Office space says these changes are consecutive in heating managed by humane activities. The new research compares UK weather information of the time 1961 to 1990 in the 10-year among 2008 and 2017. The research finds how on ordinary the hottest day in every year above the latter 10-year time is heating pad rather than it was while compared to the over many decades. The coldest days and nights include as well be heating pad, in temperature on ordinary softer in latter year. To demonstrate fair how soft temperature include been among 2008 and 2017, the paper says how a considerable region internal of the UK shore had, on ordinary, less than rather than 1 day per year in temperature under null. One scheming conclusion has been on which are called tropic nights, while temperature remain over 20°C. In the 30-year among 1961 and 1990 down there were fair 8 nights how exceeded how mark. In the 10-year among 2008 and 2017, down there were 4 persons such a nights. In 2018, that is not coded in the research, down there were 2 hot nights how stayed over 20°C. The Met Office space expects to see more than tropic nights as our environment continues to hot. These can be a big hazard for old human beings. A special anxiety for the public health impacts of warmth wave propagation are these tropic nights wherever the humane flesh doesn't get breathing space of the warmth, told Dr. Mark McCarthy of the Met Office Space's Domestic Environment Data Center. How is especially so in big cities wherever it is future reinforced by the city warmth I'll impact wherever the town will hold more than of the warmth of the date. Of such places wherever we do see tropic nights largest often, London is one of such areas wherever it does happen. It could be a really essential code in next. Else essential action of changing how is allocated in the research are the quantity of hot magical how include been written. The is the quantity of days per year how go so for the ordinary length term heat for how 24 time. The research says how among 1961 and 1990 down there were on ordinary 5.3 days per year how went so for the ordinary. In the 10-year to 2017, down there were 13.2 days on ordinary each year. Precipitation events has as well enlarged above the time of the paper. The maximal 5-day deposition among 1916 and 1990 was, among 2008 and 2017, it average. So which spin drive all the changing? Met Office space scientists say how nature variation may be affecting the precipitation events position through the UK, but while it comes to temperature, the researchers say it is heating managed by humans. This heat indicators are all consecutive in the heating of the UK environment how we include observable above the recent 50-year or as, told Dr. McCarthy. Surely for the heat-based indices such as the hot incantation length and the common cold and top heat indices, they are consecutive in how so named heating, and for the UK he's on the identical bet of heating as has been seen globally.